Hello. I don't know if you can see real well. It's not showing it too fantastically, but it's snowing really, really hard. I'm inside, so you're probably going to have some screen issues. But it's really coming down out there. This is my very last day here in Illinois. And it is snowing. I want to say cats and dogs, but that's not quite right. There's the garagey thing. And, you know, it's probably going to be an accumulation of probably, I don't know, 4 to 6 inches. But sometimes it's coming down like a little, and then it's a lot, like right now. Big fluffy flakes. So yeah, it's kind of cool. In a bizarro coolness way. Well, it's definitely cold, but it's only in the 20s. It's not really, really cold. I'd be rude and look at the neighborhood because I like their cone-shaped trees. It's really rude to do that, but you know what? I don't care. Their cone-shaped trees are cool. That's kind of the view of the backyard. Yes. I do like the little bird feeders that they keep in their backyard. I think that's the coolest thing since sliced bread. And then you go back up here to watch the snow some more as it blows around. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. You know, I miss the whole being inside while snow is blowing around and stuff, but I don't miss the slipping and the sliding and the really coldness. But you know, I adapted fairly quickly to it. It's not that bad, but I mean, if I had to, I'd live in it again, but honestly, given a choice, I prefer not. So, here I am, still in Illinois. Tomorrow morning, I go home at like 7:35 in theory. So far the weather says it'll be flurries in the morning, which will mean it'll be okay to go flying in the air if it's only flurries, hopefully. I'm gonna, on one hand, I'm sad to go, because, you know, I'll miss Matt. On the other hand, I'm not so sad, because, you know, going home to your own stuff, your own room, your own bed. Totally nice, you know. I think that's it for now. Bye-bye.